Hi students, welcome to our lesson on characterization. As we read fiction, immerse ourselves in movies, TV shows, and even plays, we come to better understand the character. Take a look at these images. We are all familiar with the worlds of Harry Potter, Divergent, Percy Jackson. We even find ourselves immersed in these fictional worlds that these characters are in. And what is characterization, you ask? Well, in your head you might know what it is, but to provide an exact definition, characterization is the process by which the writer reveals the personality of the character. And this is done in two ways. The first is through direct characterization. Direct characterization is when the text explicitly states how the character is, how the character feels, acts, thinks, talks, and interacts with others. It is what the text is telling you. There isn't much effort put forth in really understanding the character's personality. The second method is indirect characterization, and you have to be a little bit more careful with this one. Indirect characterization is different because you have to infer. To infer means making your best estimate or guess based off of 5 things. In other words, you're reading between the lines. And this strategy, known as steal, will help you understand a character's personality through indirect characterization. The first is S. S stands for speech. This refers to what's the character say and how does the character say it. The second part of the acronym is thoughts. What are the character's personal thoughts and how is the character feeling? E stands for effect on others. What is the character's effect on others and how do they respond to the character as a result? A stands for actions. What does the character do and how does the character behave? And finally, looks. Sometimes characters are even just solely judged by their looks. What does the character look like and how does the character dress? In summary, we have learned 2 methods of characterization. The first is direct characterization. This is when the text explicitly gives you information about a character. You're reading it off of a page and you know that this character is this way because the text says so. Indirect characterization, in contrast, is when you have to make inferences about a character. And we use the acronym known as STEAL, which stands for speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks. So pause this video, be sure to write down all the notes, and utilize these 2 methods of characterization to learn more about your character. Thanks, guys.